Hi, welcome back to Science Project Tuesday. Today we're doing a floating pumpkin edition. You might recognize this pumpkin.
Yeah, from last week. So we have a bottle with dry ice in it. Feel how cold, just real quick. So we're gonna put water in it.
Oh,
And
can I
then
film myself?
we're gonna put water in it, put the cap on, and go
What does the
over
pumpkin
there.
have to do with it?
Well, this is gonna go in the pumpkin, and then when the pressure builds, okay. So we're gonna go that way.
Oh.
Okay, you ready to run? This way. Here we go. Oh no. Second, turn around. Lots of water, even if it's trying to get us. It's full almost. We're Lawson.
It's fine, I run.
But now the water's not getting the dry ice. Man, okay.
Can we try again?
In here this time. That's all we have. Slow, 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 slow. Oh. Okay. Oh, I did with the lid on.
Just do it.
Oh my god. Okay. I'm soaking wet. Okay.
Science Project Tuesday.